In this lecture, we will see one of the most important tools for any penetration testing engagement, not only for mobile device security but for any web application assessment, and that is Burp Suite. Okay, and you can set up Burp Suite to actually view the HTTP traffic coming from an Android emulator, talking to potentially backend infrastructure. Okay. Now, mobile applications of any kind such as banking, social networking, or any application that actually contains a lot of functionality that requires internet communication, they basically have a typical client to server architectures. So in other words, they actually communicate potentially to the cloud to communicate to a backend. Okay. So whenever you want to understand the exact surface for these kind of apps, it is required to consider all the possibilities of the application, which includes the client application itself, the API that is actually using to connect to the backend, and the server related vulnerabilities and the database as well. That is why it's important that you actually have a good security open life cycle whenever you are creating your application infrastructure. But unfortunately, that's not always the case. And you as a pen tester may take advantage of the different, and that not only the users are actually running on those applications but the actual backend infrastructure, and that's where you can actually use things like Burp Suite to actually proxy out and evaluate and assess the victim security posture of that backend infrastructure. Okay, so looking for API abuse, looking for cross-site scripting, potentially in some backend servers, or potentially SQL injection. So don't limit yourself just by looking at the app itself. If not the infrastructure, as a matter of fact, that's what you are gonna probably find most of the vulnerabilities. Okay. Now in the defensive side, this is why it's important to have a good threat modeling methodology. Okay. And this is actually done to identify the threats your application has by defining the assets, the value that actually provides, and the prospective threat actors who might actually be interested to attack those assets. And in this case, not only the app or the backend infrastructure as I mentioned before. Now, threat modeling ideally needs to be done during the design phase of the application. However, you as a pen tester can also build your own threat modeling. This is actually often considered as the part of the reconnaissance phase in your pen test engagement. Okay. Now let's explore some common threats to mobile apps that have to be addressed during the design phase for the mobile applications, or that you can take advantage of during your pen testing. So the first one is the application data at rest. Often applications store data in the client side. Many mobile applications store sensitive data on the device without any encryption. This is one of the major problems of mobile applications. These data can be sensitive, confidential, and private. So data at rest on the device can definitely be exploited in many ways. Okay. So an attacker who actually got physical access to the device can gain access to this data with pretty much not doing anything. And potentially also a malicious application that it's actually compromised may gain access to this data if the device is actually rooted or jailbroken. And from a temp and testing perspective, this is a little tricky because you actually need physical access to the device, or to create a malicious app and then trick the user to install it in his device, which in some cases may be out of the scope of your engagement. But if you are actually doing some type of a more in-depth security research or more in-depth assessment for your client, absolutely you can do this as long as it's the part of the scope. Now let's talk about application data in transit. Mobile applications that communicate with the backend are highly exposed to attacks that target the data in transit. So it is actually quite common to find end users basically joining a public available network. And you can combine some methodologies like fake access points or evil twins, and then eavesdrops on the data using two tools like Burp Suite or man-in-the-middle proxy, or SSL management, or the Pineapple, and many more ones.